Welcome back, everyone. Sorry, I got a dirt stash up here. But this is part 2 of Soybean Harvest 2020. To start out, we're going to show you the grain setup, how we have it set up. So right here, let's start off here, we got the Nico rotary screener. That's how we say it, but you know, right there. So basically this right here, the oats dump into that the beans dump into that hopper. They go into there, and then they get spun around in there. I think that's what happens. I don't know. I haven't really looked at it very closely, and then it cleans out all the pods and just trash that ends up in your soybeans. All the trash goes up the auger into this wagon. All the soybeans run out the back into the auger hopper, into the auger, and up into the bin. That's kind of what we've been doing for I think it's about a couple years now, but it works. It cleans out the soybeans, and we get a good sample for our feed that we make. thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked that video, like what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for new videos coming. There's going to be corn harvest and lots of good stuff coming. So, thank you.